Hello students, in this problem it is said that we have to prove 0 to sin square x sin inverse root t dt plus 0 to cos square x cos inverse root t dt is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so let's start. Let this is first integral and this is second integral, right? So put t equals to sin square theta in first integral and t equals to cos square phi in second integral, correct? So it is dt is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. So it is just like sin 2 theta d theta. On the other hand, it is dt is equal to 2 cos phi and minus sin phi d phi. Okay, so it is just like minus sin 2 phi d phi. Okay, now as we put here t equals to sin square theta, that's why according to this limiting value of integration will change, right? So according to this, if it is t and here theta, so if you put the value of t is equal to 0, theta becomes 0, and if you put the value of t equals to sin square x, so it is x. And according to this change, here if you put uh, t and phi, so if you put t equals to 0, right, t equals to 0, so t equals to 0, so phi is equal to 90, and if you put t equals to cos square x, it is what, it is x. Okay, because it is cos square x, it is cos square phi, so phi is equal to x. So this is the change in limiting value. Okay, now put all these things in the main integration. So let I equals to 0 to sin square x. Sin square x, it means sin square x, it is x, and sine inverse root 2, so t equals to sine square theta. That's why sine theta is equal to root t, so theta is equal to sine inverse root t. Okay, so sine inverse root t is replaced by theta and dt is replaced by sine 2 theta d theta plus, and here 0 to cos square x, it means 0 to 92, because 0 के corresponding phi का value 90, so it is 90. Okay, it is 90, so it is 90 and it is x, and here cos inverse root t is replaced by phi, and dt is replaced by minus sine 2 phi d phi. Okay, so it is 0 to x and theta sine 2 theta d theta plus, if you take this minus sign to the limiting, according to the limiting value, so limiting value will change accordingly, so it is x to 90. Okay, and here phi sine 2 phi d phi. Now you know that a to b f theta d theta is equal to a to b f phi d phi. Okay, this is very basic concept, so we are going to use this concept here. So 0 to x, and it is theta sine 2 theta, and and it is also x to 90, and we can write here theta sine 2 theta d theta. So 0 to, see, 0 to x and x to 90, so we can directly written here 0 to 90 and theta sine 2 theta d theta. Okay, and here this integration 0 to 90 theta sine 2 theta, so theta sine 2 theta can be integrate by using by parts, right? So using by parts here, so it is just like theta, because this is first function and this is second function, so theta, and the integration of this I mean, you can write here like this: sine 2 theta d theta minus differentiation of d theta and integration of sine 2 theta d theta, and it is d theta, and the limiting value is 0 to 90. Okay, so here we can write sine means minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, minus cos 2 theta by 2 plus, see, this is minus cos 2 theta by 2, so minus minus plus, and again cos theta is sin theta, so it is effectively can be written like sine 2 2 theta divided by 4, and this is 0 to pi by 2. And if you put the values here, so put 90. Okay, so it is 90, and cos itna into minus half and cos pi. Okay, plus sine 2 theta, when you 1 by 4 sine pi, and minus, if you put theta is equal to 0, so it is 0 and it is 0, so it is always 0. So all values is cos pi is minus 1. Okay, so it is pi by 4. So guys, I hope you understand all these things. So enjoy the calculation. Okay, bye bye.